Hello students, myself Jimesh Shah. I will take your Sanskrit in 8th standard. Okay. First of all, you know very well in 6th standard and in 7th standard. The first chapter is Chitrapadani. In 6th standard, Chitrapadani 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6th standard 1, 2, 3, 4 and in 7th standard Chitrapadani 1, 2, 3. But in that Chitrapadani only words are there. उसमें क्या था? सिर्फ शब्द थे. Now you all are grown up also. So now we are studying the sentences. Okay. In 8th standard, the first chapter is Chitrapadani. Introduction of picture. Introduce the pictures. Now, just see, here total 3 parts are there. The first part, this one. I think so. One question in your mind. Esha means this. Sah means that. Esha means this. Sa means that. Etad means this. Tata means that. Esha, Saha, Esha, Sa, Etat, Tata. These all words are different. But similarly, three words have this and that. Why? Because Esha and Saha, this one is using in masculine forms. That means pulling. ગુજરાતીની અંદર આપણે જે ત્રણ લિંગ શીખતા હોઈએ છે સ્ત્રીલિંગ પુલ્લિંગ and નપુંસકલિંગ. Out of that, the first one is masculine, pulling forms are there. The second one is esha, sa, means this and that. That one is feminine forms, striling. Okay, and the third one is etata, tata. Etata means this. Tata means that. This one is nature forms. Okay, that this one is neuter forms. So that one is Napusakli. Now in Chitrapadani 1, on the first page, total 6 pictures are there. These 6 pictures we are seeing now. We are seeing. Just look at in the textbook. The first one is Eshaha Shukaha. Eshaha Shukaha. Shukaha. That means parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. That means poppet. One bird is that. Okay. Eshaha. Esha. That means these. This means near about. जो हमारे बहुत नजदीक होता है उसके लिए हम दिस यूज करते हैं. दिस, THIS. ओके, बट द ऑब्जेक्ट इज लिटिल बिट फार अवे फ्रॉम अस. दिस वन, my hand is here, so this is my hand. Okay, now my another hand is far away from me, little bit far away from my face, so that is my hand. Okay, like that only. If we are taking any object, this is my hand and that is a duster in my hand. Okay, so that and this, we all know in English grammar also what is the difference between this and that. So Esha, Shuka. Esha means this and Shuka means parrot. The second one is Eshaha Shvanaha. Eshaha means this and Shvanaha, that means dog. Dog यानी कुत्ता, हम सब जानते हैं. So English meaning is this is a dog. This is a dog. Why here this? Because Eshaha. Clear? Third one is Eshaha Gajaha. Esha means this. You know that Esha means this and Gajah, that means elephant. Now students, the elephant spelling is starting with E, and we know that in English A, E, I, O, U, these all are vowels, and the vowels are there on that time an article is came. Okay, so the translation of Esha Gajah means this is an elephant. Why here is an? Because the spelling is starting with E. That's why we are using here an. This is an elephant. Okay, these three words are for Esha, Esha, Esha. Okay, now we are continuing the sentence number 4. That one is Saha Mayuraha. Now, why here Saha? Okay, Saha is there. So the translation, the meaning of Saha is that. Saha Mayuraha, that is a peacock. Just see the textbook, in the picture is there, and inside the textbook, that picture, the peacock is little bit far away. That's why we are using here Saha. The meaning is that. The second one, next one is fifth, Saha Sinha. Sinha, that means lion. Saha, that means that. That is a lion. Okay, students. Now the last one is Saha Ashvaha. Saha means that, and Ashvaha, that means horse, जिसको हम गुजराती में बोलते हैं घोड़ो. Okay, Saha Ashvaha means that is a horse. These all words are there. These all sentences are there. Masculine form. This and that. Esha, Saha. Now, just on the page, we are continuing the feminine forms. Esha, Sa. This and that. Now, students, on next page, this all forms from feminine. Esha, that means this, and Sa, that means that. Okay. Now, the first one is Esha Balika. Esha Balika, Esha, that means this, and Balika, that means girl. This is a girl, and another word is she is a girl. Both the meaning is same. Next one, second one, Esha Utpitika. Utpitika, that means table, and Esha, that means this. This is a table. Third one, Esha Geeta. Geeta is a one girl name. Esha Geeta. Esha, that means this, and Geeta, that means Geeta only. So here this is a Geeta or she is a Geeta. Okay. The fourth one is Sa Pratima. Sa, that means that, little bit far away from us. Okay, so Sa Pratima, that is a statue. Fifth one, Sa Sanchika. Just to clear the pronunciation, students. Sa Sanchika. Sanchika, that means file, जिसमें सारे कागज हम इकट्ठा करके फाइलिंग करते हैं, वो फाइल. Sa Sanchika. Sa, that means that, and Sanchika, that means file. That is a file. Okay. Sixth one, Sa Punja. That is Punja. Okay. So meaning is same of Sa. The meaning is Sa is that, and the different meaning of word is Pratima, statue, Sanchika, file, Punja, the girl name. That's why it is Punja only. Here, Esha, this, and this only, and Balika, girl, Utpithika, table, Gita, Gita, because the Gita is one girl. That's why here only Gita is there. Okay. Now we are seeing on next page the form of neuter. Okay. So that one is etata, tata. This and that in same way. Students, in Chitrapadani 1 on third page, the forms of neuter. Etata, that means this. Tata, that means that. Okay. So now we are see the picture and write the meaning. Here the meanings are there. Etata vatayanam. Vatayanam. What is the meaning of vatayanam? Window. Window, that means બારી. ઘરમાં આપણે બારી હોય છે ને જે, that means એક બારીની જ વાત કરીએ છે. Window, that means બારી. So etat vatayanam. Etat, that means this. This is a window. Window, that means बारी. Etat pustakam. What is the meaning of pustakam? The meaning of pustakam is book. Chopadi. Okay. So the meaning is etata is this and pustakam meaning is book. This is a book. Third one, etata basyanam. Etata means this and basyanam, that means bus. It is not only bus. Tiger. It is not called that bus. This bus is bus, vehicle. Okay. We are going somewhere with this bus to travel somewhere. Okay. So this is a bus. Now in neuter form, tata means that. Here fourth one is tata. Tata dwaram. Dwaram, that means door, दरवाजो. अपना घर का जो दरवाजो है, हमारे घर का जो दरवाजा होता है उसकी बात है. तथा means that and dwaram, that means door. This is a door. Fifth one, tata chitram. Tata means that and chitram, that means picture. That is a picture. Picture यानी चित्र. किसी की कोई भी एक चित्र दोहरा हुआ होता है, ड्राइंग किया होता है ना उसको, वो है यहाँ पे चित्र, पिक्चर. The sixth one is tata vimanam. Tata means that and vimanam, that means an aeroplane. Why here and? You remember this? Before that I am telling you, when the vowels are a, e, I, o, u, with the starting the spelling with a, e, I, o, u, so on that time we are using the article and. That's why here an aeroplane. A is vowel. Okay, that's why that is an aeroplane. Okay, now we are seeing the in Chitrapadani 1 masculine forms, feminine forms and neuter forms. These all forms we are seeing. Now on next page, aham and tvam. These two forms are there. We are seeing now. Now students, we are already learned about Esha, Sa, Esha, Sa, Etata, Tata. The meaning is this and that. Now on next page, we are continue with the aham. That means I and tvam. That means you. Aham, that means I. Myself, I, and tvam, that means you. You are someone else. Okay. Now, on that base, the first one is aham shikshakah. Aham, that means I. Shikshaka, that means teacher. Okay, teacher, that means Shikshak. I am teacher. The meaning of this sentence is I am teacher. The second one, aham balika. Balika, that means girl. And aham, that means I. I am girl. I am girl. Third one, aham yuvaka. Yuvaka, that means young person. Very young person. Okay, we know યુવાન જેને ગુજરાતીમાં શું કહેવાય છે એકદમ જુવાન થઈ ગઈએ ત્યારે એને કહેવાય છે યુવાન young one. અહમ યુવકઃ. I am a young man. I am young man. Okay, so this sentence is starting with aham, and aham's meaning is I, and shikshakah teacher, balika girl, yuvakah young man. Okay, now the fourth one is fourth, fifth and sixth. These three sentences are starting with tvam. Tvam, that means you. Tvam chhatrah, you are student. Tvam, that means you. Chhatrah, that means student. Tvam balika, that means tvam means you, and balika, that means girl. You are girl. The sixth one, tvam balakah, you are boy. Balaka, that means boy. And the sentence starting with tvam, the meaning of tvam is you. So the meaning of this sentence is you are boy. Sentence number 4, 5 and 6. These three sentences is starting with tvam, and another word is chhatrah, that means student, balika, that means girl, and balakah, that means boy. Okay, I think so students. In Chitrapadani 1, all the concepts are clear. Just read out again and again. So the whole concepts are clear for you. Okay. Now this session is over. We are continuing with the lesson number 2 Chitrapadani on next lesson. Okay. Thank you students.